Hi, in this video we'll talk about how to add logo in Framer. So in order to do that, what we can do is we need to head over first to our project on Framer. So once we're there, we can see in here our page. So just select in here which part you want to add your logo. So for example, let's add it right around here. So just click on this plus icon that you can see right here in the upper left screen. We have in here this. So you can add in here any basics that you want to add. For this one, let's head over and search for logo, and now we have in here under the elements. You can just drag it and then put it wherever you want it added. For example, let's add it right here. And now we have the actual logo of Framer. So if you want your own logo, you can head over and then click on that, and in here you can see your left side or right side part. So from in here, just scroll down, and we have in here some options like for the style, the effects, and the likes for this one. So you can just choose in here your own logo if you want. So we have in here this, you can search. For example, you can have in here the company logo of Facebook, for example. You can search in here for that, and it will be added. However, if you want a custom logo already made for you, you can click on this custom, then upload in here the logo that you want. So let me head over and then upload mine. So I have uploaded right here mine. So here it is, the logo, and you can now actually see it already. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.